Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Starshib token. Ticker symbol is Sshib. Now this token is starting their pre-sale today on Pinksale.finance. We're going to go over the information on the Starshib token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Starshib token. So it says Starshib is Elon Musk's favorite rocket. Twitter gold verified, BSC scan updated, low tax, low starting market cap, massive post-launch marketing, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Fast Track, Starship, it says Starship hype, no unlocked tokens, no private sale. So basically, the hype is from Elon Musk's Starships, I guess, and then Elon Musk also owns some Doges, and so now we have Starshib. Ticker symbol Sshib, 18 decimal places on this token. There's a total supply of 1 billion tokens. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. Initial market cap estimate is $30,014. So this token is doing a pre-sale on Pinksale.finance that starts exactly August 8th at 15 hours UTC time and goes until August 10th, 15 hours UTC time. So 2-day pre-sale, or once it reaches their hard cap of 100 BNB, then the pre-sale is over. 50 BNB is the soft cap. Now this is a whitelist only pre-sale. And how you get on the whitelist before the pre-sale is just head over to their webpage, which is listed on Pinksale.finance, starshib.space. So you go over there. Right in the bottom left-hand corner of the page, it says whitelist. So you just click on that, and then you can sign up for the whitelist and get involved with the pre-sale on Pinksale.finance. Now, they do have a full audit. So they were audited by Coinbase Solidity, and you can view the PDF of that audit on Pinksale. They also have a KYC, which means their team was doxed to a company called CoinScope to verify who they are for security reasons. They also have their Twitter listed on here, Starshib token. Their Telegram is at Starshib token as well. And they also have a Reddit and a GitHub listed on Pinksale as well. Now their Telegram has 4,231 subscribers, so they're doing pretty well on there. If you go over to their webpage, there's different sections on here like our vision, tokenomics, roadmap, frequently asked questions, documents. You click on documents, it takes you over to docs.starshib.space, but the document isn't made yet. It just says page 1 and there's nothing on it yet, so it looks like they will be updating that soon, but the document is not available yet, so all the information is going to be on their socials and their webpage. It says, join Starshib's intergalactic adventure, conquer the Earth, orbit, Moon, Mars, and beyond. Discover Starshib, the revolutionary meme coin, on a mission to defy boundaries, redefine the crypto universe, and contribute to a planetary financial future. Fueled by the boundless ambition of Elon Musk's Starship, Starshib aspires to make stellar impact in the crypto cosmos. Our mission: unite a passionate community of explorers while building a thriving ecosystem that benefits both of our holders and the world. Together we'll navigate uncharted territories in the crypto universe, boldly reaching for the stars and transforming the world one token at a time. Join Starship's cosmic journey and be part of the future that shines bright. Now on Pinksale, they do have their token metrics pie chart on here. It says 26.9% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 13% of the tokens go to liquidity, 10% goes to play to earn and staking, 10% development and operations, 3% contests, and 43.56% of the tokens get burnt. Now, if you missed this pre-sale and you're looking to get this token shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Starship token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, starshib.space. It's right in the Tokenomics section there. And then they have, you will have to set slippage. We'll go over that in a second here. And it says liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 120 days. So there's 3 tax modes, it says here. And we're going to go over what that means in 1 second here. So basically, it says they're going to have the bunch of different utilities. They're going to have the Starship pad, which is a launch pad for new token offerings, kind of just like what Pinksale is. Staking and yield farming. And then there's charity, so they give to charity. There's a Starship Telegram bot. It says shill to earn. There's a Starship vault and Starship contract creation. So Tokenomics, it says 3 tax modes. It says Transonic, 3% buy tax, 6% sell tax, Supersonic 1 and 1, and Hypersonic 0 and 0. So it says click here for more info, and then it takes you over to their document section, which isn't made yet. So I'm assuming it's the amount of time that you would hold the tokens, like within the first 24 hours, is probably 3 and 6. Supersonic would be, like a week or something like that, and then 0 and 0. But they'll clarify that later, I guess, in the white paper. And then their roadmap: whitelist competition, presale, Pinksale, token launch, community engagement, charity events, token burn and reward mechanism, staking and yield farming, gaming platform, strategic partnerships, and then cross-chain integration, celebrity endorsements, DeFi ecosystem, expansion, global charity initiatives. And then their partners, it says, are DexView and Pinksale. They have some frequently asked questions. And then it says, what are the tax rates? It says slippage may vary due to price fluctuations. Tax are divided into 3 categories: marketing, staking, and liquidity. And then it says, please refer to the document section, which isn't made yet. So check this all out, starshib.space. You can find this token ready for pre-sale here on pinksale.finance. They're trending number 8 right now on Pinksale. So there is some eyeballs here on this token, so go check it out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.